Hey,
All right.
and so now that you understand the strategy, you understand the idea of how it works, let me actually break it down for you and let's set up a campaign together. So in this portion of the training, I'm going to actually break down and show you how the software actually works for you in your business and we can build a campaign together. And let's get started and let me give you a demo first before we build one out together. So it only takes a few minutes. However, the way that the software works, as soon as you come in, you're going to see the dashboard. And the dashboard shows the overall health of your business. And inside of the dashboard, you'll see how many opportunities you have, the value of those opportunities, and how many of them converted into paying customers. The next thing is that you have access to actually a conversations tab. And in the conversations tab, you'll be able to see different businesses or different conversations that you're having. So if someone, for example, responds to me and says, hey, how much is a website? I can then respond back to them and say, it's $750, for example, if I was in the business of building websites. If I'm a coach or a consultant, or if you're working with your customer can go back and forth with you and have a whole conversation inside of the software with you. And also inside of the software, you have access to a calendar. Now, this is going to be great for you if you are by yourself in your company or you have multiple team members, and because you'll see all your calendar and you can actually add different team members and different users to use this platform with you. The next thing is that you're going to have the contacts. And inside of the contacts, you'll be able to track all of your contact records. You'll be able to come in here and you can start a conversation with them, send them an email, and you can keep data about them. So for example, their weight, if you're in the fitness space, or if you're a coach, you can add different information about them, and it's all custom to your business, right? So in this scenario, in this demo account here, I have their ticket types, because in my business, I also host different events and I bring people together. Also inside the platform, you can track different tasks. So I can say, remind me to send an invoice. And then you can assign it to a different person on your staff, or it could be on just you. You could choose a date and then you click save. And then now you have a task to remind you in the future, and you can see when it's due here. You could also see and track all appointments, future and past appointments, as well as any pertinent documents. So like contracts and things of that nature. If you want to save those documents, you can save that right side here. Also, you can track how many people have paid you, and you can keep credit cards on file so that we can charge them in the future. The next thing the next feature is going to be the opportunities board, where you could track your sales opportunities. And then also inside of this platform, you'll be able to take payments for all of your transactions.